Hello students, in this video I am going to explain about the note and a problem on a note. In previous video you people are learned about the how to find out the directional derivatives. So let us see one note on a directional derivative. This is the important note here. So what we have here, the directional derivative is maximum along a del phi. The directional derivative is always maximum along a del phi. What is a del phi? Del phi, it is nothing but here what we have gradient of a phi, and it is also called as normal to the phi. Normal to the phi means normal to the surface here, okay, and its maximum value we have to find a maximum value. So maximum value is found by using the formula magnitude of a del phi. The maximum value of directional derivative is found by using the formula this, that is magnitude of a del phi. You have to remember this one. So let us see what we have a problem on that note. So in which direction the directional derivative of x square y z cube is maximum at 2, 1, minus 1, and it find its maximum value. Okay, so you know that the directional derivative is maximum along the del phi. Okay, we have here phi. We have to find here in which direction the value of this directional derivative is maximum, and also we have to find here maximum value. Okay, so you know that directional derivative is maximum along a del phi. We have a phi here, they given here. What is that? X square y z cube. So phi is equals to x square y z cube. Let us find here del phi. Del phi means gradient of a phi. So you know that definition, dou phi by dou x into I plus dou phi by dou y into j plus dou phi by dou z into vector k. So dou phi by dou x is there, phi means this one, this phi with respect to x, then we have to consider y and z as a constant. So keep a y z cube as it is. X square with respect to x means 2x into vector I. Next what we have here, dou phi by dou y. So this whole function with respect to y is there, then we have to keep a x and z as constant. Therefore keep x square z cube as it is. Y with respect to y means 1 into j. Next, dou phi by dou z is there, this whole with respect to z, then we have to consider x and y as a constant. So z cube with respect to z means 3z square, x square y as it is into vector k. So del phi, they given here point 2, 1, minus 1. Let us find here del phi value at this point. This point is nothing but coordinates of a x, y, z. Wherever is x, y, z in this equation, substitute a 2, 1, minus 1 respectively. 2 into 2, y means 1, z means minus 1 cube into vector I, plus x square z cube, substitute your values, into j, plus 3 into 2 square and 1 into minus 1 whole square into vector k. Solve this one, you get minus 4i minus 4j plus 12k. So this is our required direction in which the directional derivative is maximum. Okay, so let us find here maximum value. So the maximum value is found by using the formula magnitude of a del phi. Okay, so what is the formula for magnitude of a del phi means this one. We have to find magnitude of this one. You know that how to find out the magnitude of any vector. So that is the under the root of coefficient of I whole square minus 4 whole square plus coefficient of a j minus 4 whole square plus coefficient of a k is here 12 square. So let us solve this one. 16 plus 144. 16 take it outside, then it becomes 1 plus 1 plus 9. What it means? 11. So 16 take it outside from the root, then it becomes 4 root 11. So magnitude of a del phi or maximum value of that directional derivative is 4 root 11. This is our required final answer.